Hey guys, we're going to do a product review for you today. We got a Petra, has sent us a Petra 4000 backpack sprayer. We don't have much spraying going on this time of year, except maybe some brine for sidewalks. So we're going to try it out with that. That's what we have right now. That's what we'll try and we'll see how it works out. In the past we've used backpack sprayers like this. If we're using a backpack, see this has metal on it. Gets all corroded, seized up. This is what, 3 gallons I think. And it's kind of clunky, kind of cheap, kind of like just cheap parts it's made with. And we've used that for spraying weed killer, and we've tried brine with it, but it can't put down enough. It won't put down enough brine or enough product to really wet the sidewalk the way we want it to. So Petra has sent us this Petra HD4000. This is a we got 4 gallons, 4-gallon sprayer. And first thing I'll tell you is it comes packaged really well. Nice heavy-duty packaging. We had to put it together. I'm not much for putting anything together. I don't care to do that, but this came, only had a few parts. Got to put the wand on, spray hose. If you see there's no pump on this, there's no hand pump. This is an electric, battery operated. I thought maybe we'd be looking at 6 to 8 hours to charge it, but it comes fully charged. So we're going to go ahead and put some product in it. I'm trying this wide spray nozzle. It's kind of like a peachy orange colored spray nozzle. We're going to try that first, and then I got another nozzle to try. So let's get to it. It's got this nice wide area to open up. It's got its strainer in here, which is going to be really important with our brine, because the brine could have some particles in it. We don't want it clogging up. Here we go. No problem filling that. No issues with spilling or needing a funnel. That's going right in. Again, the thing I noticed right away is this is heavy duty. All the fittings are nice rubber hose, nice brass fittings. Good heavy duty unit. Does have a little bit of weight to it. It's going to take quite a bit of this brine. Alright. I haven't tried these straps yet. They adjust real easy. Go ahead and throw that on. Okay, that definitely has some weight to it. But you're not fighting to try to find that handle and pump it up. I don't know about turning it on. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. I'm just going to, you have one on switch. It's just going to put it to full pressure. I turn that on, it pressures right up. I'm going to try this nozzle. The biggest issue with brine is getting enough proper coverage. And I could never do this with the other sprayer. Look at how the pressure comes out. Get full coverage. There you go, we got some brine down on that sidewalk. You can see we barely used any product out of here. This fan tip works really nice. It did have another tip, which I thought about trying if we need to get a lot of product down. This looks like a watering can type of tip, but really it didn't need it. This spray tip works amazing. I could never do this with the other one. I couldn't get enough product down quick enough with the previous backpack. And this one definitely, you had to keep pumping that one up. You don't have to pump it up. You got nice even pressure. This sidewalk's treated. It's down for a pre-treat. So next time it snows, the snow will start melting. It'll melt the first little bit of snow that comes down and also help keep the snow from bonding to the surface. So that's just my first test. We'll see what else we can figure out with it, but so far I'm very impressed with it. Like I said, Petra sent it out. I wasn't sure what we were going to do with it because we're not spraying anything this time of year. The backpack's never been enough. We have some walk behind sprayers. The backpack's never been enough to actually work on the sidewalks. But here's a situation where we could put it in here, turn it on, go right to work with it, and it seems to work good. I'm going to put it right in one of our sites and see what we can do for pre-treating sidewalks. So thanks for checking it out. We'll try to get some more updates. Maybe we can put a link in there to link you to Petra's page, and we'll see you again. Thank you.